Good evening, Brightwood families. We certainly do miss you. This is Mrs. Larssen, otherwise known as the math lady around Brightwood. I love teaching math, but I do like to read too. So keep up your reading and keep up your math the best you can. I just wanted to talk about some focus areas for grade 1, some things that are really important for our first graders. This is a time where students are beginning to add and subtract and understand the relationship between addition and subtraction. Students, by the end of first grade, are to be fluent in 10. Now, what that means is that they need to understand the different combinations to make 10. I have a chart here that I started to create, and it is backwards. So that is a problem for us. But it says 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5. And also you can say 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. Those are the different combinations to make 10. So working and understanding the numbers that make up 10 and the different combinations is essential for our first graders. Another thing is to count to 120. That doesn't mean we need to know the combinations to 120. We need to know how to count to 120. So asking your first grader, let's start counting at 30 all the way to 50 and go 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and so forth up to 50 is a way to help them learn how to count to 120. You could even do, let's count from 70 to 80. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then say, what comes after 79? And if they don't know, you could say 80. Do it from numbers 1 through 20 also. Ask them, what comes after 15? Ask them, what comes before 11? There's lots of different quick things that you can do. Another area for students to understand in first grade is measuring, comparing different objects. I happen to have 2 writing instruments, this marker and this pen. I can compare them and determine which one is bigger, which one is shorter. I can take the cap off the pen and say, this marker is 2 caps in length. If you have paper clips, you can measure things with paper clips. You can compare pencil sizes, pen sizes, marker sizes, crayon sizes. Measurement is really important. Another thing is shapes. We are wanting our first graders to understand what a rectangle is and what a square is and what a triangle is. Look what I have here. I was going through my cabinet and I happened to find some baked cheese crackers. I'm going to open those up. What does this look like? A square. Put 2 squares together. What do we get? A rectangle. We can even take a handful, which takes me to my next important focus area for first grade. And that is counting collections. I took a handful, let me see if you can see it now, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my friend, which is probably going to be my child, or your brother or sister, counts from their collection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who has more? My friend here or my friend here? Well, this one has 9 and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 9 take away 6. I can even match them up to see the difference. 6. There is the 9. So the difference is 1, 2, 3. 9 take away 6 is 3. So that's fun to do with some food that I have. I also have these are other rectangles put 2 squares, you get yourself a rectangle. Counting collections is so important. I can count how many noodles I have. Here I have some noodles, and it's really fun just to see how many I have. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What comes after 18? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. What comes after 24? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then there's, what comes after 29? 30, and then 31. I have 31 of my favorite little shells. That's something else you can do. If you happen to have playing cards, here's the whole deck. But what I did is I took out some red ones. Let me see. I am missing the 1. I will find it. Here it is. Our aces are 1. So then I have 1, 2. And I have to find it. I'm going to put it 1, 2, 3. And I do work with some students, and I have them put them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. You could even take one away and say, what comes after 3? And what comes before 5? It's the 4. So little games like that. I'm going to take the 10 out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to get another 5. So I actually have 10 cards here. I'm going to mix them up. I have a matching game because I need to be fluent till 10. Remember I was telling you 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 5, and 5 plus 5 are combinations for 10. So I have my cards. I've shuffled them up. I'm going to make 2 rows of 5, which is 10 cards because 5 and 5 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me see. Do I have 10 here? Oh, I love skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There it is, 10. Now I'm going to match 2. What do I have to add to 2 to get to 10? So I have 2. I'm going to put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8! I've got to find an 8. Oh, I found a 5. 2 plus 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Doesn't work. Okay, now I'm going to try to find another match. Oh, there's my 8. Didn't we just say that 2 plus 8? Let me see if I can find it. 2 plus 8 is 10. Or 8 plus 2 is 10. 8, 9, 10. Or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a matching game that you can do at home too. And helps you become fluent in 10. There's so many things that our world and our house and outside are filled with math. Just do a little walk around with parent permission, your yard or within your house, and look for the different shapes there are. Count how many socks there are, how many mixed match socks there are. That's always fun. Practice with a ruler if you have one. Practice measuring with a pen or a pencil how long the table is. How many pens is this table? There are many things we can do. If you have some coins, a nickel, dime, pennies, quarter, count the change. How many nickels are in a quarter? How many nickels make up a dollar? How many pennies are in a dime? These are some simple things that we can do. But our focus again in first grade is being fluent to 10 and knowing how to count to 120. But if we know the relationship between addition and subtraction and that 7 equals plus 3 is 10, and 3 plus 7 is 10. That's fantastic. We can work on our 10s and 1s, such as 27 is made up of 2 10s and 7 1s. I know the students have been working on 10s and 1s. There are 10s in our cards, so we have 2 10s. 2 10s and 8, that makes 28. So that's enough for now. I'm sure I'll be back again with some more ideas. Take care, and again, we miss you. See you soon.